Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to be testing two Essence My Little palettes, the My Little Coral and the My Little Platinum. Both of these are from the limited edition collection Royal Party, and you can also find two more palettes, the My Little Copper and the My Little Gold palette. In one of my Instagram stories, I asked you which one of the two little eyeshadow palettes you wanted me to review first, and 64% said My Little Coral, so this is the palette that I'm using in this video. This one here has cool tone eyeshadows, that's why I decided to use also the highlighter palette My Little Platinum. The price for each one is €5.99. The highlighter palette has 3 highlighters and we get 14.4 grams of product. The eyeshadow palette has 9 eyeshadows and we are getting 10.8 grams of product. Both of these are cruelty free and vegan. They are made in PRC and they can last up to 12 months. If you want to make your makeup products to last longer, you can use them with clean brushes. I'm going to have a card here so you can find the tutorial that I have done and I show you how to wash your brushes. Let's start with the eyeshadow palette. In this one we have pink and berry eyeshadows. I like the color story that we have and I think we have a good variety of matte and shimmery eyeshadows. Headband on. So I want to start with eyeshadow All My Riches, and this is a light champagne shimmery eyeshadow. I'm also going to use the mirror today, and with an eyeshadow brush by Essence I'm going to highlight my brow bone. This one has a beautiful sheen, it is easy to blend it and it can work very well as a brow bone highlighter. This one is going to look fantastic on the cheekbones as well. It's very pretty. After that I want to take this one here. It is called Hidden Treasure and it is a light muted pink eyeshadow with a matte finish. I'm taking the product with an eye blender brush by Essence and I'm buffing that in the crease. This eyeshadow blends super easily. It looks very nice. I'm going to use a second layer to see if I can build the intensity. Next I want to see this eyeshadow, how it looks on my eyes. This one is the Pretty and the Royal and it is like a bronzy pink shimmery eyeshadow. Ooh, it is very creamy. Super pretty. This eyeshadow is looking more rich in color when you press it with your fingertip, but you still have a nice color payoff with only a dry brush. Following that we have Modern Princess. This one is a light pink shimmery eyeshadow. It has a beautiful sheen. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm pressing that on the inner eyelid. Modern Princess has some very fine gold micro glitter. It is a little bit fluffier than the other eyeshadows and it is better to press it on your eyelid with a brush or your fingertips so you can have the most sheen. Next I want to see this ruby matte eyeshadow. It is called Ruby Ring and I'm going to place that on the outer lower lash line. This eyeshadow has a very nice color payoff and it blends easily. Now picking up this shade here and it is the $1 Million Princess. This one is like a rose pink shimmery eyeshadow. Very pretty for smoky eye looks, and I'm going to smudge that on the center of my lower lash line. This is very pretty and shiny. After that we have eyeshadow If the Crown Fits, it's yours. And this one here is a light pink shimmery eyeshadow, but it is a little bit more pinkish than the Modern Princess. This one here is Modern Princess. With the same smudging brush, I'm using this one in the inner lower lash line. It has a very nice light baby pink color and sheen. I want to give more definition on the outer part of my eyes, so I'm going to use eyeshadow Royalty. This one here, it is a rich dark brown chocolatey beautiful matte eyeshadow and I'm diffusing that in the outer crease with the brush 5 by BH Cosmetics. This one has a little bit of kickback, so make sure to tap the excess off from your brush. This one gives a very nice intensity to my eyes. I'm taking again eyeshadow Hidden Treasure and I'm going over the edges of the brown eyeshadow. I want to lighten up a little bit the inner part of my eyes, and I'm going to take this eyeshadow here. It is called Rich and Pure, and it is this very light creamy beige pink matte eyeshadow with a matte finish. Ooh, this one has a lot of kickback. This shade has a very nice opacity and I can cover the darker colors. I'm taking again Hidden Treasure. With this one I'm blending the edges of the lower lash line. And I'm also going to use all my reaches in the inner corner. I'm also going to take this dark brown eyeshadow with an angle brush by Bella Pierre and I'm going to outline my lashes. This eyeshadow has a very nice rich color and it is very easy to blend it on the eyes. I have applied mascara on my lashes. I have used this one by Essence. This is the You Better Work Length Definition Mascara. About the palette, I like the packaging. It is very lightweight and it is convenient to hold it and do your makeup look. I like the eyeshadows that we have. I think that the color story can give you a lot of possibilities to do different eye looks. Let me know if you want to see more eye looks with this palette so I can post more. I think this is a great palette if you want something for traveling. Let's continue with the highlighter palette. In this one we have the shades Diamond Ring, Rich and Famous and Golden Royal. I'm going to take Golden Royal, this one here, with the brush E40 by Sigma and I'm going to use it on my cheekbone. Ooh, this is very pretty. You don't need a lot of this highlighter and you can blend it and have a very nice sheen on the cheeks. As you can see, this one is very intense. You need just a small amount of product on the brush and blend it lightly on the cheekbones because it is going to be blinding. There is nothing wrong about that, but if you want something every day, just use a small amount. On my nose. Ooh, it looks so pretty on the nose. I thought it was going to look like a very yellowy, like neon yellow highlighter, but it looks more like a yellow champagne and it is more wearable. I also have here the Makeup Revolution Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. It's not the same shade. I thought it was similar. As you can see, the Essence one has a more shiny finish. On the other cheekbone, I'm going to use this highlighter. It is called Diamond Ring. It is a very light pink, shimmery, intense shimmery highlighter. Oh my god. Also with this one, you need a very small amount of product because it is very shiny. I like that they don't intensify any texture and you can blend them and have something more natural. We also have Rich and Famous. This one is a darker pink highlighter and it is going to look very nice on darker skin tones. I think I'm not going to use this on me. It's not going to highlight my skin. This one also has a very nice sheen. Of course, you can also mix the two colors together and have another beautiful shade. Mesmerizing. I also like the highlighter palette today. We started very well with this Royal Party collection. I still have 11 palettes to test. I'm very happy that I liked the first palette. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of this video, and you can find here more Essence Eyeshadow Palettes. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!